First up, we're at Ripley Castle with the new Honda Civic from Marshall Honda at Harrogate. Let's try to get something with a bit of foreground element in it. Now, I'm shooting with my 50mm f1.8 on my Nikon D3200. Nothing special. Let's see what we can get. I may just switch over to my 35. The 50 is a bit too punched in. That's better. Oh, no, that's better. The wall is a bit of the leading line, a bit of foreground. Good, like them. Quite high up here, so you can use these leaves. We've also got here a nice church in the background, so I might turn the car around and try and get some with the church in the background. Got Marshall Honda at Harrogate. I just wanted some photos with a lot of sort of localish viewpoints in the photos. So I'm trying my best for them. See what we can get. I think we got a bumblebee. What is that? Oh, like that. So, spin car round. I've pulled it forward ever so slightly. So now I'll be able to get the church and the car all in the frame. F2.8, 160. Right then, right, on to the next location. So I just made it to the second location. Now, I'm gonna switch to my 35 because it's a bit wide. Need to move the car back a bit. Move the car forward a little bit, mate. So I've just moved it forward slightly. So we'll see what we can come up with now. It's a nice little like triangular shardy type thing here in Harrogate. So there we go. Twizzle like that. See how this turns out. Not mind that. Drop the shoulder a little bit. Still at f2.8. Not bad. Back. See if I can use these lines and the curb as a leading line. Better. Get it over here. Some of these in the leaves in the foreground. Wide shot in maybe. If I get down low. Not too bad. Yes, we were down on the floor. The second location, other location I've come to, it's a bit disappointing really. It's the RHS Gardens, Car Gardens I think it's called. I was hoping that I might be able to get some nice gardens, but obviously it's all enclosed. I can't get in with a car. One thing I should have checked on Google Maps when I was scouting locations, but here we go. But the car park's not too bad for it. A nice bit of green, contrasts nicely with the white of the car. So I'm just going to see what we can get up here before going to another location. So yeah, again, a big thank you to Marshall Honda at Harrogate. They've asked me to get some photos for them of the new Civic around Harrogate. Some nice scenic photos if possible, which I've not done too bad. It's just a lot of them that I did scout have been very, very, very busy, but I haven't been able to stop and get any. A lot of places that I wanted to. It's a bit of a shame, but such is life, hey ho. to the last location that I've checked out and see what shots we can get up there.